this video, I'm going to show you how you can flip or rotate images in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, I have here these three images and I'd like to go ahead and flip this image such that it will face upside down. To do so, it is quite simple. There are two methods you can use. First, go ahead and click on the image. Now, if I click on it, we have here format options. Go ahead and click on format options and we shall have a window here that we can use. So choose under this option called size and rotation and then click on it and then head down here under rotate. You can see we can change this to different angle. We can change it to 90 degrees. We can even flip it horizontally or vertically. So if you click on flip, you can see the effects that will be applied. If you click on rotate 90 degrees, you can see how that will turn around. If I click twice, the image will be turned upside down. Now you can also go ahead and just enter the angle that you want to rotate this image to, and it will be applied. So that is the first method to flip or rotate your image. Now in the second method, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on your image, and up here you can see we have an option to rotate it. Go ahead and click on this rotate sign that is here, and you'll see it will make a plus mark. And now if you go ahead and tilt it in any direction, it will go ahead and tilt or flip our image to any direction that we wish. So I can even go ahead and rotate this 180 degrees, and now you can see our image is upside down. So that's how you can flip or rotate images in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.